Hey everyone, welcome back to the Altenew YouTube channel. This is Maryám Pérez and I am super excited to be back with a new video tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be creating an 8.5 by 11 inches scrapbook layout, and I'm going to be featuring the beautiful Mix to Match Mariposa Die Set. I'm also going to be using some more products, and I'll make sure to mention them as we go along. Alright, let's get started. I wanted to use watercolors and embossing paste in this layout, so the first thing I did was to take a sheet of white cardstock and cover it with a layer of white gesso. In case you are not familiar with this supply, gesso is very similar to white acrylic paint, but what this does is that it prepares the surface for painting, making it slightly textured and ready to accept paints, watercolors, inks, and many other mediums. Okay, after I finished with the gesso, I let it dry for some time and then grabbed my Altenew embossing paste. I also grabbed two stencils. The first one is Square Weave Pattern Stencil and the other one is Milky Way Stencil, and applied embossing paste with the help of my palette knife. I let the cardstock dry for an entire night, but it only takes about 2 or 3 hours to fully dry, so you don't really need to do that. Next, I grabbed some of my liquid watercolors, which are actually the refills of the watercolor brush markers. And with the help of a brush, I painted over the embossed background. I used several colors of liquid watercolors because I wanted to have a very colorful page. Once I finished painting, I took some of the butterflies from the Mix to Match Mariposa Die Set and cut them out from the background I colored before. I also cut out some more from vellum paper and pattern paper. After a couple of hours probably, I had all the cuts I needed, so I started assembling the butterflies. As you can see here on the screen, I have 3 different piles. In the first one, I have the mixed media ones, in the second, the vellum ones, and in the third, the ones that I cut out from pattern paper. To create the layer butterflies, I choose one of each pile and add a liquid adhesive only in the center of them. Once I finished assembling all the butterflies, I moved on to the next part of the process. I put the photo, title, and journaling on my page, and then used double-sided tape to adhere all the butterflies. To finish it up, I added some sequins and enamel dots. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to visit my post over at the Altenew Scrapbook blog to learn more about my project and to see more photos. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you for watching and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!
you.